Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and today I'm going to share with you Goldwell's latest innovation in permanent shape change, Texture Dimensions Perm. I will show you on my model Ari how to create beautiful looking curls. We will create them with bending rollers to get curls full of bounce, elasticity and shine. Let's start. Wind with appropriate tension. Little tension on damaged hair versus stronger tension on resistant hair structure. Saturate each bending roller 2 to 3 times minimum. Apply more lotion in case of thick, long hair and pay special attention to processing time to guarantee a perfect end result. I hope you like the result of our new Texture Dimensions Perm as much as we do. Want to see or learn more about Texture Dimensions Perm? Check out our other videos on Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel or visit the Goldwell Education Plus app. See you there.